With business growth, Shenzhen SprintPCB has gained a new boost. A batch of brand new drilling rigs have officially gone into production, injecting strong impetus into the manufacturing of high-end PCBs. As a powerful factory with 18 years of industry experience, we have always focused on the rapid delivery needs of small and medium-sized batches and express sample orders. The newly added high-end drilling rigs not only supplement production capacity, but also precisely support the production processes of complex products such as high multilayer, blind buried holes, high frequency, and high speed, further amplifying our advantages in special process fields. The addition of the new equipment will enable us to handle customized demands more efficiently, respond to market changes more quickly, and provide more stable quality assurance for customers in multiple fields such as industrial control, medical care, and automotive electronics.